In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or hide the menu bar on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then you want to go down and select Preferences. On the left side, you want to go underneath Image Windows and select Appearance. And then on the right side, where it says Show Menu Bar, you want to either check mark or uncheck that depending on your preference, as well as for full screen mode, and then select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.